Hello, good morning, namaste to everybody. Today I once again welcome you in the first video of chapter 4, that is Introduction to Microsoft Access 2013. Today we talk about what is Microsoft Access. So for that we have to know that for what Microsoft Access is used for. Microsoft Access is an information management tool that helps you store information for reference, reporting and analysis. Microsoft Access helps you analyze large amounts of information and manage related data more efficiently than Microsoft Excel or other spreadsheet application. So many of us get confused that Microsoft Access look like Microsoft Excel. No, it's totally wrong. Microsoft Excel does simple data management work, whereas Microsoft Access does the large complex database work. So one more reason, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software, whereas Microsoft Access is a DBMS software. So it handles large data and it handles low amount of data. Our DBMS software like Access, Oracle, SQL are largely used in railway ticket booking, airport ticket booking, and large offices, companies, etc. Now we talk about database and DBMS. Database is collection of organized related tables, data stored in rows and columns. Now database management system, it is also known as DBMS. It is short form, its full form. Now it is software used to create and maintain a database. DBMS retrieve information from database. Now the question arises, what is database? So here in your front, this is an access table. This is table. Now one or more table in organized form makes database, and DBMS software retrieves information from database. So now I hope that you have understood the concept of database, table and DBMS. Now with the help of another picture we understand the concept. Here between user, who is user? You and I are user. So between user and data, DBMS software stands. So whenever we have to ask any question, any query, then we ask it to DBMS and DBMS takes it. DBMS filters it from database and again retrieves it and provides you. So DBMS works like mediator between you and database. Advantage of database system is that first, no data redundancy and inconsistency. Redundancy in terms of repetition. Easy to access data, prevents data isolation, rule enforcement, safety and security, shares large volume of data, time saving and takes less space as compared with manual file based management system. Now talk about four objects of MS Access. First is tables. Tables is two-dimension records. It's based on rows and columns. Now after table there is queries. Queries means asking question, and there is forms. Forms means inputting information, and last but not the least, that is reports. Reports means any output, formatted summaries of data suitable for printing. So reports is considered as output, forms is considered as input, and query is considered as filtration of data, and tables is the collection of records. Now you should know how to start MS Access. First method is that click on start button, and here it is kept alphabetically. So it is MS Access. So you can see here access. So this is access 2019. Now if I go little below, I get Microsoft Office. When I click on it, I get Microsoft Office Access 2007. So when I click on it, it's open. This is welcome screen, home screen of MS Access 2007. Now when I click on blank database, you have to click on blank database. First and foremost, you click on blank database. So here you have got a text box asking that what is the name of your database. So you can write any database name. It is by default database 2. So anytime you click on blank database, you will get by default name here, database 2, database 3, database 4. But you can also give your name of any name of your choice, like page 37, and click on it, create. Now you can see that it is page 37. So this is the name of database. Now here this is table. Table has opened, table 1. You can also rename it. Now second method to start MS Access, open the Run dialog box and type MS Access. It can also be capital letter. Now click on OK. For now I bid adieu. I say goodbye to everyone. Next week we will meet once again with another video of chapter 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.